Hello everyone, this is Ali Reza, and this is the last video that I'm uploading to YouTube. There are a few reasons behind it, but before I start talking, let me describe why I'm dropping the YouTube. First of all, I should thank all the 276 people that subscribed to my channel. You guys were the only reason that I put up with YouTube. Now, why did I drop YouTube? Well, YouTube is one of those channels and websites that is blocked by my government. So each time I was going to upload a video to YouTube, I had to use VPN, and using VPN drops my speed from 500 kilobytes to something around 30 kilobytes. And that is the best situation. Sometimes I go down to even 10 kilobytes per second. And uploading a 1-hour video was almost impossible. Sometimes it took me near 12 hours to upload even one of the videos that you were watching on my channel. Now, recently, 3DBuzz offered a very nice offer to its members. And remember, yeah, this is my username. Remember, subscribing to 3dbuzz.com is free. And even free members now are allowed to upload their videos. But for that, you need to contact people on their forums. And the guy that you want to talk to is Steven. If you became a member, if you had a very neat idea for training videos and you couldn't contact the guys, PM me in 3dbuzz.com. My username, as you saw, is CSS_Maya. Let me log in. And well, you will be able to get hooked to the people behind the scene in 3dbuzz.com, and I will try my best to help you to develop your videos, not the content. I will try my best to hook you to Steven so that you get your account ready for uploading your videos. Now, this is how bad my internet connection becomes. You see, even a login, yeah, takes long. This is because of the VPN. Now, here is my profile. I'm not sure how to get to profiles, but somewhere around here. Community. Yeah, this is not the best way of. Let me go to my control panel anyway. Now, when it's opening. My profile, come on, I want to visit it. Yeah, the forum is not the best and they are working on it. Especially Nelson is very busy with the website. But long story short, register to 3DBuzz, it's free. Now, my videos is under training Unity. And if you look, here it is, Unity RPG API Core. And this is the very first chapter. And as you see, it's free for chapter 1, and it's already 27 episodes there. All of them are near 1 hour, sometimes less, sometimes more. But this is my recreating my node graph from scratch on a way more professional coding than what you had seen in the channel. And as you see, it's free for every member every member of the 3DBuzz. Now, this is the chapter 1. Chapter 2 and forward sometimes will be free, sometimes won't be free. What do I mean by won't be free is that if, for example, I go into Unity and look at our MMO development classes and choose one of the chapters, you see that it says member only. Now, 3DBuzz has this concept of member sponsorship. They reduced their prices drastically. Trust me, it was not like this. I think it was near 35 for a month, but later on they dropped the price per month for 1 year and 6 months. So if you accept my words, go on and subscribe for 1 year member sponsorship for $16 per month. It will become near $200. The second chapter that I will work on is behavior trees. And if you look to behavior tree solutions inside Unity Asset Store, you would see that each one of the complete solutions would sit something between $150 to $200. So you will buy the asset, but you don't know how the internals of the asset is working. Just by subscribing for 1 year, not only you will have access to my second chapter that I'm working on it right now, but at the same time, that's not the only thing that I will upload. If you look at the recent videos, for example, I didn't upload videos for around 2 or 3 weeks, but you see that I'm uploading 2 or 3 videos every time I'm uploading, because I don't need to use VPN and I have the full speed and I can go wild, and that's it. I highly recommend you go and subscribe to 3DBuzz. And if you are interested in seeing how I'm going to use the graph editor that we were working both on my YouTube channel and here differently into something more professional, then you need to become a member sponsor, because the behavior tree system will be only for member sponsors. I'm sure when I'm using this graph editor for dialog system and a dialog editor, I will push it for member sponsors only. And why do I put it only for member sponsors? Well, obviously, I want to support the community of 3DBuzz. And this is not the only chapter. It will be a huge project. I have tons of things in mind, from train system, inventory, item system, dialog editors, complete AI solutions, up to game mechanics for an RPG game. And I will try my best to get it high up to be compared to some games like Skyrim. And honestly, I was playing, the reason I didn't upload any video is that I was playing Skyrim. And you know, when a game developer himself plays a game, he's looking to internals of how the game would work behind the scene on code. And honestly, creating something like a Skyrim is possible. It's not something that hard. But anyway, that is why I will stop pushing videos on YouTube. If you want to follow me, subscribe to 3DBuzz. If you have any idea, you can send a PM to me in 3DBuzz to CSS_Maya, and you see you will have a private messages, and here you have inbox, and somewhere around here, hopefully, you will be able to send a new message. Oh, come on. Nelson, work on this guy. Let me see. Let me pause the video. And it was right in front of my eye. Send new message. Okay? So in your inbox, you can send a new message. Of course, the recipient would be CSS_Maya, and that is me. Put a title that I know you are from YouTube and one of my followers, and you want to publish a video, or you have a question, and then of course the body, and then at the end send a message, and I will get the message. I constantly, I mean it, at least once a day, I'm checking my account and the forums and other stuff. And here is how you access the forums. Community, these are all forum sections. Member sponsor long. I'm not sure if I posted it here, but I posted about yeah, it's not here. Wait a minute. I'm not sure. Yeah, as we see, there are tons of people all around. One thing is bothering me, and that is 3DBuzz is not as active as before, and I hope by having you guys around here we would make it much more active. And honestly, I can't find my own post anymore. But yeah, you can ask your questions. This is a forum open for everyone, but keep in mind the very first post that you send in forum needs to be approved by the moderators. It may take a week until you see your post, but after the very first post you are free to post anything you want, and it doesn't need any more moderation. So I'm waiting for you guys in 3DBuzz, and I highly suggest that you come and check my videos, Unity RPG API Core. This is the very first chapter. The second chapter, when it's started, the page will look something like this. It will be chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter blah, 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 blah. Okay? I hope you guys won't leave me alone in 3DBuzz. See you here. Have fun, everyone. Bye-bye.